everyone, so we're now here in Hanoi, Vietnam. We just arrived, so it's around 9:50 p.m. and yeah, so I'm going to tour you in our condo. So this is where we're going to stay for 1 month, and yeah, so let's start with the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area, and by the way, the condo is actually nice because downstairs there's a lot of buildings. Come with me. Shut up, Mari. Stop mo, Lavi. Be careful mo ba? Ay, this kuya puti. Uy. Wow, the view. Hold on. Okay, anyway, so downstairs there's a lot of groceries. Like mini marts, Circle K, something like that. And yeah, so perfect. They have everything. This is nice. So they have an induction for cooking, and then this is the toilet. I think we only have one toilet. Yeah, just this one. And this is the dining area, which is so nice. I love it. Love the paintings. And then this is my working space. It's nice. So I can see my face. So I can see how pretty I am while I'm working. Just kidding.
But it was your first thought.
And then this is another bed here. I'm not sure what is this. But yeah, there's another bed on this area. Let's see what's in here. Oh, just a cabinet. Okay. And then, so this is the living room. Television. The sofa here. It's actually nice. It's not too small. It's not too large. Right, Lovey? I think it's enough, no? Just for the two people. So this is the bedroom. It is also nice. Yeah, big bed. I wonder what is this? What this thing? Oh, it's that. Amazing. So it's a button. I wonder if they have iron for my clothes. No, they don't. It's fine. He has a bed. And then, oh, nice. And this one, oh, nice. Wonder where's the, if they have an iron, I could make the iron. Yeah, check it later. I thought there's a washing machine. So what's this? Oh, this is oven, I guess. I am determined to find if they have an iron. Maybe later I'll find it there. So let's go to the balcony. The balcony area. Oi, what is this? Where's the light for this one? Oh, there's the washing machine.
Outside.
Yeah, so the washing machine is here. Perfect. So where can we hang our clothes? I guess we can hang it there. Or here. Oh, here. Oh my god, that is nice. And wow, look at the view. Oh my god, so
Show
nice.
your viewers a view over the edge.
Wow. This is cool. What is the purpose of this, Lavi? What is this?
That? To lift and lower the driveway.
Hi. Oi, they have a nice rack. Amazing. Okay, so at least I am safe here, I guess. And this is our neighbors. We're on the 27th floor, and it's close to the lake. So the lake is this area. And look at the city. Oh my gosh, Hanoi is so beautiful. Wow, that's all I can say. Oh, I should take a picture tomorrow there on the lake-ish. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love. Yeah. This is nice. And it's actually kind of cooler outside as well. Like
Yeah,
it's
so
not
just leave the window. Just leave it open for a bit.
it's not hot at all. Yeah, it's open. So we have something here. Wow. It's nice. I love this accommodation actually. Yeah. Even if they're kind of, you know, being sketchy at first, because when we booked it, they asked us to, if we wanted to, what do you call it? Like, move to another location. Then we're like, no, we like this, we booked this. So, yeah. It's nice. Alright, so that's the end of this video. It's just a quick tour of our room, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Seth reminding you all to stay golden.